How to set sleep timer on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set sleep timer on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click any song you want, like this one, and then click here in top corner, click on it, and now click this one, sleep timer, click on it, and then select anything you want, 5 minutes, 10, 50, and then if we select anything here like 1 hour, and as you see now the music will turn it off after 1 hour. And that's today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.